Hello everyone, I am here today gonna make a chocolate pie, and it's got cream cheese in it, but I still call it a chocolate pie, and that's what everybody else knows it as. So I'm gonna get busy making it. First layer we do is gonna be Philadelphia cream cheese, 8 ounces, and it is at room temperature. I put it in there, and to that I'm going to add my powdered sugar, and it is 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar. And then I'm going to use the mixer, so it's going to be loud a minute, and then we'll get that quiet. You just mix this until it's completely mixed. Just do it about 2 minutes. You just want to make sure it's light and fluffy and it's completely mixed up. Okay. Alright, I'm going to set my mixer right over here out of the way. Whoops, I just dropped it in that Cool Whip. I guess that'll be alright. Okay, my first layer, I'm checking my notes to make sure I don't forget anything, was cream cheese and powdered sugar, and I'm going to stir in 1 cup of Cool Whip. And I already have it pre-measured so I can try to remember this stuff. But it's 1 cup of Cool Whip. And I'm using a generic Cool Whip. I've never bought it before, but we're trying it. So we're going to see how it does.
She's not telling you, but I bought the wrong stuff.
It's okay. We're going to learn. I just don't buy generic Cool Whip. I buy the real stuff. So it might be just as good. We're going to find out, aren't we? And you just stir in about a cup of Cool Whip into it, because this is your first layer that goes in the, and I forgot to tell y'all that I cheated and I'm using a pre-made graham cracker crust. I wish I had made the shortbread crust, but I didn't tonight. I just went ahead and used the graham cracker crust because it was handy and it was easy. I'm not gonna lie, it was easy. Next time maybe I'll make the full thing. But I'm stirring in my Cool Whip into my cream cheese and powdered sugar. Just folding it in so that it's all mixed up good. And that's the way it looks. Looks pretty good. Smells good too. It's got cream cheese in it. Can't go wrong with cream cheese. Alright, this is my first layer. Whew. That's hard. Okay. Make sure I got everything in there. Okay. And we'll put it in the crust. And this is my first layer. Again, it's Philadelphia cream cheese. And then 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar. And I mixed it together real good and fluffed it up. And then I folded in a cup of Cool Whip. At least I think that's what I did. We're going to say that's what I did. Okay, I'm trying to even it up because I like it to be smooth. Alright, now then to my bowl. I'm going to use that again in just a minute. To my bowl, I'm going to add 1 3/4 cup of milk. This is whole milk. And I'm just going to pour it right on in here in this bowl because it's not going to hurt it. And I'm just making the chocolate pudding, so it should be fine. Alright. That is my 1 3/4 cup of milk. And I'm going to add the dry Jell-O instant pudding in the mix. And this one I'm making chocolate, so this is chocolate. I got it open, aren't you proud? It's the little steps. But I've got the milk, and I'm adding the dry chocolate pudding into the milk and stirring it up. Can you come stir a minute?
Yeah.
Stir it real good, get all the lumps out. Alright, now let's see if I can do it. Thank you.
It's getting pretty thick.
Yeah, it's getting thick, that's what I want. It's gotta get thick. Gosh,
I make this more afternoon too, because your hands are gonna hurt all day tomorrow.
I know. Just trying to get all the lumps out and everything. It says for 2 minutes. We've been doing it 2 minutes. Alright, we're gonna just stop. Alright, you do your pudding mix. That's my pudding mix. And I'm going to add it to the top of this cream cheese mixture. And then I'm going to put the lid on it and put it in the refrigerator until in the morning. And in the morning I will pick back up and show you what I'm doing. I'm going to put another layer of Cool Whip on the top, and then I'm going to put some chocolate shavings on top of the Cool Whip. That way everybody will know it's a chocolate pie. But that's about it for it. Let me get all this out. Yeah, it's getting thicker and thicker, isn't it? That's doing just like it's supposed to do. Alright, I got to set that down. I'm going to use this. Might be a mistake. Okay. Now then, I'm just going to spread this chocolate pudding on top of my cream cheese and put it in the refrigerator overnight so it can set real good. And then in the morning, I will put another layer of Cool Whip on top, and then I'm going to put some chocolate shavings on top of my Cool Whip. And that's all there is to it. It's a pretty simple pie. Sorry, I had to look at my recipe, but I'm going to remember these and get them in my head one day. But this one's real simple and it's very good and tasty. But especially if you like cheesecake or cream cheese, it's real good. But we'll be back with you in the morning and let you see what it looks like. Bye-bye. Hello everyone, I'm back. This is the next morning, and I've got my pie out of the refrigerator I made last night. I'm going to top it with Cool Whip topping, and then I'm going to grate some chocolate on top of it. And this is just regular Hershey bars I'm going to use because that's what I had on hand and that's what we're using. So I'm just going to cover it with Cool Whip. That turned out real pretty, didn't it?
Yeah. The house smells amazing today.
Yes. Ed has been cooking brisket.
No,
Or
Boston butts.
Boston butts. Oh,
Smoked them all night. Just got done doing the pull on them. We're gonna take them to the family reunion today. We'll have pork sandwiches or pork plates, whatever you want to do. You'll see the video. I'll post the video to it too.
yeah, we're just doing, I made a chocolate pie and probably gonna do some baked beans here in a few minutes. All right, let's see if we can get this going. I'm gonna just grate some chocolate Hershey bar on top so they'll know this is a chocolate pie. Whoops, that's okay, we'll just leave a piece of chocolate. I'm sure it'll get eaten. Just leave little pieces around. How about that? Put lots of chocolate. And there is my chocolate pie. I do make a Hershey pie. I should have made a Hershey pie. Next time I'll make a Hershey pie. Y'all will love it too. Okay, and there is my chocolate pie. And it's ready to go.
You gonna put caramel on this one?
I may put caramel on this one. I got it out, but I wasn't sure.
Caramel drizzle on there would be great.
I know, but I need to clean my hands. And
We'll put it on when we get there.
Okay, yeah, because I don't want it to stick to the top.
All right, everybody, we're out.
Bye.
See you next time.